Hello, my future doctors. I'm extremely happy to be connecting with all of you on this amazing academic voyage. Before we begin, let me briefly introduce myself. I'm Dr. Shivangi Shukla. I completed my MBBS in 2014 from Lady Hardinge Medical College, New Delhi, and my DOMS in 2018 from Maulana Azad Medical College, where I was honored to be a gold medalist. I have secured rank 7 in JIPMER 2007, rank 125 in DPMT 2007, and rank 65 in UPSC Combined Medical Services 2015. Throughout my academic journey, these milestones reflect my consistency, dedication, clarity, and a strategic approach, especially towards entrance examinations. I have worked as a consultant eye surgeon at Divisional Hospital, Lucknow, and being a clinician and my experience in clinical medicine has helped me deduce that a strong foundation during MBBS leads to a good and a skilled clinician. And a skilled clinician leads to a successful one. Alongside clinical medicine, teaching has always been my passion. I have previously worked as an educator for biochemistry and as faculty for NEET PG. Throughout this journey as an educator, I have realized that with the right clarity, with the right guidance, and with the right teaching, each child has the potential to excel. Each child, each student is like a sponge with endless capability and endless potential. All they need is the correct guidance, the correct direction, and the correct approach. And I'm here to help you with that. My teaching approach is based on breaking down complex topics into simple and easy to understand ones. I have always focused on building a strong foundation, because a strong foundation is what will then lead to a stable building. I use a lot of mnemonics so that complex topics can be easy to remember, but at the same time, I don't focus on ratification, because the main focus is on clearing our fundas and clearing our concepts. Once your concepts are clear, the things will be permanently stored in your data drive. Through Prof Essentials by PrepLadder, our goal is to help you build a strong base from your first year itself. We'll focus on strengthening concepts and for guiding you through your university exams and your exams in your future. We'll be here to guide you and mentor you all along the way. All the best for your journey. We are here to be with you. We are here to travel it with you.